Okay, after you plug in the ColorFlex EZ, the first screen you'll see is the main menu. And the main menu has standardize, read, and product setup. The first thing we want you to do is a new product setup. You hit the lightning bolt where it says go. Do you wish to select the setup to continue? Say yes. Choose setup number 1. Again, hit go as it's highlighted. Setup number 1. We go to the top of setup number 1 and we'll leave the word setup number 1 there. Standard, you want physical. Average off. You go down, the down button to views. Hit the right hand arrow. See the right hand arrow? Right hand arrow. Go to views. Go up to number 1. View 1 will be enabled. You right click and you go to color scale, and we want to change the first color scale to R sub D AB. Alright, that's the first scale you change. Go up arrow and you change the illuminant and observer, right and left arrow till you have C2. You have absolute on the display, and so then go down to the word shade sort, hit the word back, left hand arrow, go down to view 2, right click, up, it will say disabled, and you'll want to enable it. From disabled to enabled. Display absolute. C2. Find the color scale LAB, known as Hunter LAB. Down to shade sort and back. Go to your third view. Right click. It will go up to, it will say disabled, and you'll want to enable it. So view 3 is now enabled. Absolute. We want it to be D6510. We want it to be L star, A star, B star. And that's our last change. So we're going to main menu. So you've now set up number 1 to be the way you want to read. Then you go to standardize. You hit the go button. Take your black tile, put it at the port, hit the go, then your white tile, put it at the port, hit go. You've successfully standardized. You go to the main menu, you go to read, hit the down arrow to read, go the lightning bolt, select the setup, yes, setup number 1, go, and you're ready to read your samples. Alright, stop the recording. Can you
start out with 12 grams of 815 sim top. Take your 12 grams, sim top, 20 grams of mineral oil, mix your 12 grams of A15 top with the mineral oil. sure you get the mixture, a good mixture of the powder with the oil. Fill up the tortilla. Make sure the bottom of your tortilla is smooth and you get a good reading for your 815 wet. And at the top, set your sample. You start at the main menu, read. You hit the lighting bolt, which is go. You select yes. It says, do you want to select the setup to use? Yes. Setup 1, lighting bolt, which is go. Setup 1 is ready for testing. You hit the lighting bolt again, which is go for your reading. Make sure if you want a LAB reading, hit next. L star, A star, B star, you hit next. Or the RD, B, you hit next. Now I'm about to perform an 815 dry test. Setting the weight in between to make a dry, smooth bottom so the sample can read. And I will insert pressure for 30 seconds. Make sure you have a nice, smooth bottom. Insert the dry sample into the Hunter. Main menu, read, hit the go button. Do you want to select the setup for you? Yes. Setup 1, hit the lighting bolt, which is the go button. Hit the lighting bolt again, which is the go button to get your reading. That's RD, A, B. Hit next for your LAB reading. Hit next for the L star, A star, B star reading.